In this session, we are going to look at sum function. Sum function helps to add two or more values in Excel. You can add individual values or cell references or range or mix of all the three. This is the most common function used by across everyone and every day. This is my weekly sales report where I have list of products, also have day-wise sales. So here I want to know what is my total sales for each day, and also I want to know what is my total sales for each product. Assume sum function does not exist. Then I need to manually add each and every cell to get the total. Like so equal to, so I'll just add all the product to get the total. So now I got the total sales for Monday. Here I have only 6 rows. Assume in case if I have 100 rows, 1000 rows or 10,000 rows, it's very difficult, right? So now fortunately we have sum function. So let me show you how to use sum function. Equal to sum, then select the range, enter. So now we got the sum function. This is the total sales for Sunday. I can also copy paste this for the other day to replicate the same formula. So sum function also have shortcut. This is the only function have shortcut in Excel. The shortcut is Alt equal to. By pressing Alt equal, it will automatically select the range. It gives the total. See here. Now I can copy paste this also. Using sum function, we can also add multiple references and multiple range. Here I have the total. So now I want to know what is my weekday sales and what is my weekend sales. Let me show you. Equal sum. So weekdays, it's Monday to Friday. Select, enter. This is, I selected only one range. Okay, so now let me get my weekend sales. So let me choose Sunday, comma, and also I'll choose Saturday. So using comma, so you can add n number of references or n number of range, so which will give you the total number. If I add this 2 now, so here you can see the total 634,265. The same total we are getting here as well. Assume in case if I want to know the first 2 days and last 2 days sale, let me create it here. The first 2 days is Sunday and Monday. Sum, let me choose Sunday and Monday, comma, and the last 2 days Friday and Saturday. Enter. So 369,018. Let me show this. You can see the same total 369,018. It's easy, right? Let's move to next function.